These are the top 3 AI side hustles that I promise you nobody is talking about. Now, more importantly, you can start these side hustles with absolutely zero experience and you don't need to pay any money at all. Now, the main reason why I'm showing you how to use AI to create a side hustle, because I want you to be able to create a life of true financial and time freedom. You see, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job because of a side hustle like this. But when I started in May of 2019, there was no such thing as artificial intelligence. So if you're looking for a way to start making money today, I want to show you how you can leverage artificial intelligence. Let's get into it. All right, so AI side hustle number 1 is to create websites for local businesses. Now, I personally believe this is one of the best ways to start making money with AI, because there's a lot of these local businesses that don't have the time to go build these websites themselves. Maybe they're not that techy, or maybe they don't care about artificial intelligence. They're just focusing on their business. Now, when I say local businesses, it can be like a chiropractor, it could be a local landscaper, it could be a restaurant owner, or even people that install windows, just somebody that works locally. Now, what you can do is you can use AI to create an entire website for these local businesses. Now, the crazy thing is you can build an entire website in literally 30 seconds using this website right here. Now, the website is durable.co. Let me show you exactly how to build a website in less than 30 seconds. So all you have to do is click on get started. Then it's going to ask you, what type of business are you building? I'm going to go ahead and put chiropractor and hit next. All right, then it's going to ask you, what's the name of the business? I'm just going to put chiropractor Rio Rancho, and then I'm going to hit next. And as you can see, when I hit next, it's creating an entire website that I can now use, and I can offer it to this local business. And as you can see, within 30 seconds, it says your website is ready. I can go ahead and see it. Check it out, guys. You got chiropractor Rio Rancho. It's got relieve your pain today. This is incredible. I mean, obviously you could kind of fix up some of these things like the about us or our services, but as you can see, there's an entire website that was built literally in just a few seconds. Now, obviously, if they want specifics on the website, you can go to the top right here where it says customize, and you can go ahead and change up some of the things that they want. But you can literally get the skeleton of the website, and then once you make your changes, you can go ahead and provide that website to these local businesses and make anywhere between $500, $1,000, $2,000 to create a website for these companies. Now, as far as finding clients, one of the easiest ways that you can do it is you can go to Google Maps and you can see the local businesses in your area. But here's a cool AI software that you can use to find clients to start making websites for. So this website is called outboundflow.ai, and the crazy thing about this is you can literally ask it your location, and it's literally going to send cold emails. That way you can tell these local businesses, hey, I can build a website for you for whatever price that you want to charge. But the cool thing about this software is you could tell it exactly where your location is, and you can literally personalize these emails, and the AI is literally going to go out and reach out to these clients. That way you can start building websites for them. Now, I do want to mention that this website is currently in beta and only a few people will have access to this, but I don't want that to stop you. Again, you can go to Google and go search local businesses in your area. It doesn't have to be just a chiropractor, but it could be your local landscaper, your local plumber, all those types of businesses that maybe they don't have a website. And as far as how much to charge, it's up to you. Obviously, it's not going to take you too much time, but maybe start out with $200, $500 a website. And as you get really good, you could charge upwards of $1,000, $2,000 per website. And this is an amazing way to start making money because you really don't need that many skills because the AI is going to do most of the work for you. All right, so AI side hustle number 2 is to create create a children's book using ChatGPT and then uploading that children's book to Amazon. Let me show you how. All right, so to get started, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, and first I wanna ask it to give me some titles. So I'm gonna say, give me 10 children book idea titles. So what's gonna do, it's gonna give me 10 ideas, and then what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write an entire book. All right, so as you can see, it gave me 10 titles. So all I'm gonna do now is say, write me a children's book based on the title, The Secret Treasure of the Pirate Cove. So it's gonna go ahead and write me an entire script for this children's book. All right, so the next thing you could do is go to a website called canva.com and look for storybook templates. Now, as you can see, there's hundreds of these kids storybook templates that you can customize inside of Canva 100% free. So for example, if you were to go to this book right here, you could very easily customize this template. And then as you can see, I can go inside of here and I could change up the graphics if I want to take out this dinosaur, and I could just put the words from ChatGPT and we can have an entire book in just a few minutes. So all you have to do now, once you create the book, is go to the top right and where it says share, and you could literally, where it says download, get the entire book. And again, ChatGPT wrote the book for you. And once you have the children's book done, all you have to do is upload it to Amazon Direct Publishing, or also called Amazon KDP. So if you go to kdp.amazon.com, all you have to do is create a free Amazon account. You could upload your children's book and Amazon will sell it for you. They'll do the marketing for you. And more importantly, they'll do the fulfillment. So they're going to send people these books, and all you have to do is create multiple books and you can go ahead and collect money from Amazon. Now, my suggestion, if you wanted to try out this AI side hustle, is to create multiple books. Don't just create one children's book, create multiple children's books. That way you can have an entire library of books of people buying from you. Now, real quick, I wanted to mention my favorite side hustle in the entire world. This is what actually got me out of my 9-to-5 job. It's called Freelance Digital Marketing, and all you're doing is promoting other people's products for a commission. Now, I have a challenge that allows you to copy my entire 7-figure business, and you can start making money as fast as humanly possible. If you want access to this challenge, I'm gonna link that down below in the YouTube description. But with that being said, let's go to AI side hustle number 3. All right, so this side hustle is actually something that I'm looking for someone to do for me, and that's to translate my entire YouTube channel into multiple languages. So if you've ever seen the creator Mr. Beast, he has a ton of videos in English, but what he's been doing is translating his videos in other languages. So for example, there's Mr. Beast in Espanol or Mr. Beast in Portuguese, and he's expanding to multiple languages. So that's something I personally want to do, and there's this really cool AI software that will do it for you. So if you go to dubverse.ai, all you have to do is upload your video, and it's going to go ahead and translate it to whatever language that you want. So the cool thing is there's 30 languages at the moment, and they're currently adding more. But not only that, they have over 138 speakers with unique tones and unique voices. So as an online business owner like myself, I would love to take my videos and put them in Spanish or Japanese or even German. So this side hustle would be creating a service that would go to YouTubers online and literally create their videos in other languages. Now, you could charge a lot of money for this because not only are you using this AI software to create the videos, but part of that service would be creating an entire channel, uploading all these videos, doing the YouTube SEO, the YouTube thumbnails for this brand new channel. So someone like myself that's running a multi-7-figure business, I wouldn't have the time to go actually use this AI software and then upload these videos myself. And I could bet there are thousands, even hundreds of thousands of other YouTubers that would pay to translate their entire channel and have somebody manage it for them. Now, I can't speak for anyone else, but I would be willing to pay upwards of $2,000 to even $3,000 per month for someone to go create these videos and upload them for me. So imagine if you personally reached out to 5, 10, 20 other YouTubers and you charge them every single month to upload all the videos that they're already doing. All right, so if you enjoyed those AI side hustles, I want you to say AI is the future down in the comments. And I actually have more side hustles that you can start doing, but I wanted to give you these top 3 because these are the ones that I believe you can make the most money, and they're relatively simple to get started with. Now, if you want a part 2 or another video on more side hustles you can use with AI, I want you to comment AI is the future down below. And again, if you want access to my favorite side hustle that has allowed me to quit my 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom, that's going to be linked in the YouTube description down below. Not only do I teach you the skills, I allow you to clone my entire business as your own. Thank you so much for watching, and the purpose of this channel, again, is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. We'll see you on the next one. God bless.